Okay, so here is a couple of Tassimo cleaning hacks. The great thing about this is you're going to get two for the price of one. It works on all the Tassimo machines. One is a cost saver, the other one's a time saver. This is about my fifth Tassimo. My son bought me the first one when they first came out for Christmas. Been using one ever since. Use it every single day. But cleaning can be a bind. I do it once a month. Just put the tablets through it. But I've learned some great hacks on the way, and these are what I'm going to share with you. First hack is don't buy the Bosch descaler tabs that they recommend. You get 6 in a packet. You have to use 2 for a wash. Costs you around about £8 or $8. So, and you have to use 2 for each clean. That's going to cost you around about $2.50 per clean. So my first hack is about price saving. Treat yourself to some housed descaler solution. Other brands are available. I tend to buy this one because I've used it before and it works. Just make sure that they've got the coffee machine on there. But this will cost you, if you shop around, maybe £1 or $1, and inside you get three cleans. So instead of paying £2.50 per wash, you're paying about 30 pence or 30 cents for a single wash. So that's the first hack. Always buy them. You're buying for £1, any store, shop around, you might even get them cheaper. My second hack is a massive time saver. If you read the instructions, it will tell you to fill the tank, put in the solution or the tablets, switch it on the cleaning cycle, and you'll know if you've already got one that will take getting on towards an hour. It's very, very slow process because it has to put the water over the element and leave it to soak there for a few seconds before it moves on to the next cycle. Trouble with that is the length of time it takes, but not only that, if you when you're collecting the wastewater, you've got to stay around for the whole hour because you never really know when this is going to be full. Then you're going to have to make a dash to the sink to tip it away to make sure it's back under for the next lot. So my next hack is even simpler. Don't fill the tank with water. Just find a jug that will fit comfortably underneath the tap and just fill the jug, which I'm going to do right now. So just fill your jug with water, add some the solution, in there, empty your tank completely, and then instead of filling the tank, just fill it with the jug with the solution in it. You can probably already see where this is going to end up. Put the tank back on. Get your cleaning pod. That goes in there. Then the remainder of the jug underneath there. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2 seconds. And it's already started the clean. The great thing about, if you just fill it full of water, put your solution in there, you know that you will never have to change that. So you can go out, you can do whatever you want to do once it's full, so you don't have to sit over watching it. Once it's full, it'll just be at the full mark when you get back. Brilliant. So it saves you a lot of time because it'll only take about half an hour or whatever it takes. But more importantly, you don't have to stay around, so you can go out or watch a movie, come back when it's all over. You're probably thinking, well, why did they ask you to put a tank full through? Well, providing you're putting the whole of the solution through, even though it's going through at a shorter time, it's a higher concentrate, so for all practical reasons, you're getting the same job done. But sometimes what I do, if you want to be doubly sure, when you've come back from your night out or wherever you've been, what you can do is the remaining solution you could put back in the tank and just put it through one more time. But at least you don't have to sit around, watch it, and you can save yourself a fortune in money and time. And there's my tip.